ALORAIR fan. I wanted to use it for some photography. I want to see if I can move some hair with it and some clothes. So we're going to test it out right here. So I've got it on low speed, number 1. And let's see if we can get it to move some hair. Pretty good. That's at the low speed position. Beautiful. Now let's see if we can get it to move some clothing. I want to change the angle and bring it down to about 45 or 10 or 15. I'll have to look at the manual and see what that says. That's at speed 2. Speed 3, not getting any hair. There we've got hair. There we've got dress. I wonder if we can get both. I can always have an assistant hold it. Then we get both. Works pretty good. I'm happy with it. You? Pretty sweet.